Captain Micael Dawson here at Patriotic Guide Service. It's August, it's hot, and now it's time to switch up gears. This time of year we are doing big black drum fishing in Tampa Bay. We are targeting the bridges around for Courtney Campbell, to Howard Franklin, and to Gandy. These big black drum will be on every piling of these bridges. What's nice about this, you can get out of the sun if you have to go out during the daytime, but the fishing is also phenomenal at nighttime. You can go in at night, go in there, and stay out of the heat, stay nice and cool, and catch these big fish. Tackle wise, we'll start with the rod and reel. I like a 6,000 to 8,000 size spinning reel on a 7.6 heavy, extra heavy rod. For the big black drum, we'll catch them 40, 50, 60, 70 pounds, so a nice stiff rod will be great for them. But on top of that, at night, you'll have these big tarpon cruising the light lines, so you want a rod you can catch a tarpon on as well. This here is a Saragossa 6000 on a Bulls Bay 7'11", 15 to 30 pound class rod. Perfect setup for it. I also have for you pen guys another phenomenal setup. You can even use this same setup for grouper fishing, so it'll be a double aspect rod and reel combo. You got a 6500 slammer on a pen carnage rod. This rod will catch any black drum in there, hook up with tarpon, and then when season's over and we get to winter time, you can still take the same combo out there grouper fishing. Nice short rod, 7 foot, has the K guides on it. Great little combo. And then for you guys who like the St. Croix, we have the St. Croix Mojo Salt 7.6 medium heavy on a 5500 spin fisher. Another great setup. Will do everything you need to do for this big black drum fishing, as well as many other aspects in the fishing world. Tackle wise, I'll start with our leader. Fishing on the bridge pilings, I want some heavier leader because obviously it can cut you off pretty easy. I have the Uzuri top knot fluorocarbon here. This stuff is very abrasion resistant. Out of all the fluorocarbons, in my opinion, is the most abrasion resistant. This is 50 pound. Great for any of those big black drum there. My favorite tactic to fish for them is going to be a large jig head in the pink color. This is a 1 ounce sparky jig head. Put a nice big blue crab on here, a full or a half, and the black drum will suck it right up. If the current's running really hard and that big jig head won't hold the bottom, you can do a knocker rig either with a 1, 3, 6 ounce egg sinker, sink right on the base of the hook. This is going to help you hold the bait down the bottom a little better. And for hook wise, I like the 6/0 Owner SSW inline. It's a nice thin wire, so it'll get through the crab very easy, but it's a nice strong hook that black drum won't straighten the hook out. My last tip for you is to chum these black drum. We carry a tarpon fishing outfitters, a crab-based chum. Black drum are a crustacean-eating fish, so this crab chum is just ground up crab, shrimp, and now I'll bring these black drum into a feeding frenzy and help you figure out which piling these black drum are on. Great style fishing, great, a lot of fun. Catch fish that are bigger than you are, and you can stay out of the sun. Captain Micael Dawson, Tarpon Fishing Outfitters, signing off, and get out there and have some fun.